They were women of courage, 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 women made of steel. They were women of courage, 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 made of heart and fire.
What you looking at, my chickadee?
Look at that plane, Granda. Who do you think's flying it?
It's you, my chuggy egg. You're up there, in the sky. I see you.
You could see my dreams, Granda. Sometimes you were in them. You still are. Oh!
No, nothing back. That's a good sign. Pack leader usually answers. You try. Like this. Oh! Yeah. Rubbish!
Mama! Mama!
Yes, my darling!
Mama, play bricks with me!
I can't, my darling. I'm in a cave.
Mama! Hide and seek!
Hiding from you.
Violet, where are my cufflinks?
In China, Mexico, Chile, in the sink, darling.
Haven't you had them polished?
Russia. Singapore.
Haven't you given the cook orders for the dinner party?
Oh, I meant to, but the Amazon.
The servants are waiting for their orders.
The Andes, the Arctic, they were all out there waiting to be explored, and I was in Watford.
Where is my bloody wife this time?
Who the hell are you anyway? I'm Violet Olivia Henley Fisher Cressy Marks. You can call me any of those names. Some belong to husbands. The rest all my own. You must be my new gopher. I'm afraid the last one died. I do wear them out so quickly. God rest his soul. I hope you're not afraid of snakes or caves. Or snakes in caves. Often happens. A snake crawling over one at night is not a pleasant proposition. Once a wretched thing bit me below the knee, having lanced the wound. I looked in the mirror to see if I was going black or grey and decided on coffee, a walk, a sleep, and if I was going to die, I was at peace with the world, so there was nothing to worry about. All I was really scared of was my husband's letters.
Now look here, Mrs. Violet Olivia Henley Fisher Cressy Marks. Is it really too much for you to return for my new shop opening ceremony? All the other wives will be there, and people will talk. And by people, yes, damn it, I mean the mayor. You've been away for 7 months and a number of weeks. The house has become run down and disreputable. Children are difficult.
Whee!
Frankly, they appear to have taken after you. And really, Violet, it is just insupportable. I put up with as much as I can, but no man should be expected to...
Much more in this vein. He does run on at the mouth, rather. Always has, really. No wonder I stay away in Alaska. The Amazon.
Alaska. Polar bears. Utter madness. Terrible mother. Amazon. Ropes. The children are running wild. On a horse up a creek. In a cave. With a Chinaman. I never live it down. And the damage to my career. But never mind that. Oh no. Mrs. Violet must have her travelling. Not satisfied with a week in a nice hotel in Eastbourne. You must ascend the bloody Andes 7 times.
Are you done now, dear?
Damn it all, Vi! I miss you in my bed.
Oh! I don't know what to say, really. Husband, you do pick your times, don't you?
I will walk again. And what's more, I'll go up again and again and higher.
Why would you risk it all when you know what could happen? You know what could go wrong. You could get caught in a tree and break your neck and land on the ground like a stone and smash your heart into 1,000 tiny pieces. Why would you do it?
What's all this life we've got in us for then? Why waste it? Look where we are.
Oh, they say don't look down.
I say look down. There.
An ugly building could be anyway.
Look. We're over North London, right above Holloway Prison, look.
But been knocked down. It doesn't exist.
What do you see? What do your eyes tell you? Look. That's where they keep the suffragettes. No surrender! But that's not where we're going. West! You're lucky. Weather conditions are perfect. There's only one way down from here. Time to let go.
I can't. I'm not ready.
Oh, darling, we're never ready. We have to go when the wind takes us. You're not meant to be earthbound. You never will be.
I can't do it. How can I do it?
Time!
No!
Only one way to get it. Follow it down!
And falling and floating and terrifying. Don't look down. I do. I'm looking. Granda, if you could see me now. Look at all the trees and the people and that little brown dog. And Jesus, the power lines, and the birds, and a fox, and a bin, and the ground rushing up.
Good luck!
And the ground rushing up. Where are you going?
Wherever the wind takes me.
Dolly, don't leave me.
I have a feeling you'll be fine.
No, you don't understand. I've got to get back. June needs me, and I'm flying. I'm flying again. I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm falling. You never taught me how to fall.
Just bend your knees and bounce when you hit the ground and lightly onto your back and roll over. But the main thing to remember, the most important thing to remember is...
What? But how will I know where to land? Somebody help me. I don't know where I am.
Stand away from the door!
Who's that?
It's the warder, the unhappy one. Some of them, I truly believe, dislike how they mistreat us. Not all. Some just dislike us. It's because we're on hunger strike. Once they are aroused, and once they are determined, nothing on earth and nothing in heaven will make women give way.
Why are they singing?
Once they are aroused, and once they are determined.
What have they got to sing about? Oh, it's not singing, it's...
They're forcing a tube down a woman's throat and she's screaming. And it's my turn next.
No, they won't do that to you.
Not when I'm Lady Constance Lytton. No, you're right. And so I shall not be her. Help me, quickly. The hat. It hides my hair. And the coat. Oh, smells bad. Glasses. I can hardly see. That's a bag. Patio bag. Now, I am Jane Wharton. I made the name up. Now, I am a common woman. Now, I am just prisoner D28686. Now see how they treat me. Now see what they do. No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! No surrender! Shout, shout, up with your song. Cry with the wind, for the dawn is breaking. March, march, swing you along. Wide blows our banner and hope is waking. Song with its story, dreams with their glory. Lo, they call and glad is their word. March, march, many as one, shoulder to shoulder and friend to friend. Shout, shout, up with your song. Cry with the wind, for the dawn is breaking. March, march, swing you along. Wide blows our banner and hope is waking. Song with its story, dreams with their glory. Lo, they call and glad is their word. March, march, many as one, shoulder
shoulder and friend to friend.
I'll never be alone again. Wherever I am in the world, no matter how far into the future, I will hear this love. And I will know that even in my worst moments, someone is with me. Even if they are a cell away, even if they are faint with hunger or cold with terror, or choking almost to death, they can hear me, and I can hear them, and we are one. We are all one.
Stand away from the door, prisoner D28686. Stand away.